Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. In this video, we will be focusing on how to repair a broken connector on your Dyson SV12 vacuum cleaner. This is a common issue that can easily be fixed with the right tools and techniques. First, let's gather the necessary tools. You will need a precision screwdriver set, a pair of wire cutters, heat shrink tubing, and a soldering iron. Make sure you have a clean workspace to avoid any accidents while working. Before we begin, ensure that the vacuum cleaner is unplugged to avoid any electrical hazards. Start by removing the housing of the vacuum. Use your precision screwdriver to take out the screws located on the back. There are usually 4 screws, so keep them safe for reassembly. Once the housing is off, locate the broken connector. Take a moment to inspect it and note how the wires are connected. If you're unsure about the wiring, take a picture for reference later. If you don't have the tools or prefer not to do this yourself, remember, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Now, carefully cut the broken connector off the wires using the wire cutters. Make sure to leave enough wire on both sides for a proper connection. Strip about ½ inch of insulation from the ends of the wires. You can use a wire stripper tool for this, which makes the process much easier. Next, take your heat shrink tubing and cut a small piece to fit over the exposed wires. Before you solder, slide the tubing onto one of the wires. This will help protect the connection once it's finished. Now, it's time to solder the wires together. Heat up your soldering iron and apply a small amount of solder to the tip. Hold the 2 wires together and apply the solder to the joint. Be careful not to use too much solder, as this can create a messy connection. Allow the solder to cool for a few seconds. Once the solder has cooled, slide the heat shrink tubing over the connection and use a heat gun to shrink it down. This will provide insulation and protect the repair from damage. Before reassembling the vacuum, it's a good idea to clean any dust and debris inside the housing. Use a dry cloth or compressed air to ensure a clean environment for your vacuum to operate effectively. Remember, we also offer pickup and delivery at your home if you prefer not to handle these repairs yourself. After cleaning, carefully reattach the housing of the vacuum cleaner using the screws you saved earlier. Ensure that everything is securely fastened and there are no loose parts. Now plug in your vacuum and test it out. If the repair was successful, your Dyson SV12 should be back in working condition. If you encounter any issues or if you're not comfortable doing this repair, don't hesitate to reach out for our services. We provide quotes before repair and ensure that there are no calls or travel involved for your convenience. And that's how you repair a broken connector on your Dyson SV12. Thank you for watching. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.